Good morning, dear students. The topic of the day is poem The Schoolboy. Introduction to the poem. The Schoolboy is a 1789 poem by William Blake and published as a part of his poetry collection entitled Songs of Experience. These poems were later added with Blake's Songs of Innocence. The Schoolboy is a poem written in the pastoral tradition that focuses on the downsides of formal learning. It considers how going to school on a summer day drives all joy away. The boy in this poem is more interested in escaping his classroom than he is with anything his teacher is trying to teach. A pastoral poem explores the fantasy of withdrawing from modern life to live in an idyllic rural setting. Summary of the poem. The schoolboy poem is about an unhappy schoolboy. He likes the summer mornings and is fond of seeing the trees and the birds. We know that morning time is full of hopes and aspiration. He finds the distant sound of the huntsman's horn pleasant. Also, he wishes to sing with the skylark. In short, he enjoys being in the company of nature. As he has to go to the school, his morning hours pass unhappily. As a result, his life at school is also worrisome. He is not interested in studies and books. Even the teacher's lecture bore him. The teacher also keeps a strict eye on all the students so that they follow all the rules and regulations. Thus, his day is spent in distress and sadness. Also, he loses all his joy. The poet compares this school with a tree under which children sit and learn. The boy says he does not find peace sitting under this tree also. We all know that the pleasure of childhood lies in being free and happy like a bird. The poet here compares a child in school as a bird in a cage. He thus says that as a bird is unhappy in the cage, so is a child in school. He says that a child who is scared by his parents and teachers cannot be happy and joyful. The poet further says that the parents should not deprive a child of joy and freedom for the sake of studies. Depriving them of joy and freedom is similar to deprive the world of its spring. The poet also compares it with nipping the birds and flowers from the plants. He is of the opinion that this world will be a sorrowful place in the absence of a happy childhood. The poet beautifully compares it with nature. He says that without a happy childhood, we shall only have a winter of sorrow. We shall never be able to experience the summer of joy. Conclusion of the schoolboy. The poem teaches us that being parents, we should take due care of our children. It is our duty to see that our children are happy, joyful, and free. If we want our generations to be happy and prosperous, we need to make their childhood a happy one.